Good morning, girls. And today we discuss about the modern theory of rent. There are many aspects of the modern theory of rent. Rent or economic rent does not accrue to land alone. Rent is a surplus which can accrue to any factor of production due to its scarcity. In this sense, any factor can get rent whose supply is inelastic. Indeed, land is a factor of production whose supply is inelastic from the point of view of the whole economy. So rent accrues to it, but labor too can get rent. There is an element of rent in wages. To take an example to explain it, wage rates are given in rupees per month 500, 550, 600, 650, 700 and 750. And supply of workers are also given. When the wage rate is 500, the supply of labor is 1000. When wage rate increases from 500 to 550, the supply of workers will be 1100. Again, the wage rate increases 600, and the supply of workers also increases 1200. And now the wage rate increases 650, and the supply of workers will be 1300. And again, the wage rate increases 700, and the supply of workers will be 1400. And lastly, when the wage rate increases 750 and the supply of workers will be 1500. In the above example, it has been assumed that with every increase of rupees 50 in wages, worker supply increases by 100. When the wage rate rupees 500 per month, 1000 workers are prepared to work, and if wage increases to rupees 550, an additional 100 workers are attracted towards it, and if the wage increases to 600, yet another 100 workers becomes ready for work. But the additional 100 workers who were ready to work at the wage of 550 now get rupees 600. It means that each one of these 100 workers who were ready to work at rupees 550 per month now gets rupees 600 per month. So each one of them 100 workers gets an economic rent at the rate of rupees 50 per month. Total rent of 100 workers comes to rupees 5000. As the wage rate goes up, economic rent of an additional 100 workers who had become ready to work at lower wages would go up, and new additions to the employment list would begin to get rent. While analyzing the quasi rent, we noted that durable capital goods to get rent in the short run. Thus, economic rent is the broader term, and it does not accrue to land only. Mr. John Robinson has presented a new theory of rent. According to her, rent to a factor of production is a difference between the present income and its transfer earning. In her words, the essence of the conception of rent is the conception of the surplus earned by a particular part of a factor of production over and above the minimum earning necessary to induce it to do its work. Full stop. Now, okay, girls.